So here we are on AnnTina's 1930 Ford. This was her husband's car, and he has recently passed. And they ran it once last April, and then they haven't ran it probably since 2018 before that. So first order of business, obviously, we're going to check things out, make sure we are good to go. Obviously need to put water in it. It looks like it's been pissing. Definitely looks like it's been leaking up here. But I want to fill it up with water, and then I want to try to get her started. And we shall see where we're at.